Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps, and today I want to show you how to make this Romanian cord. When you're making a Romanian cord, it's a good idea to use a hook that's slightly larger than what you would normally use for your yarn because it does tend to get a little bit tight. We're going to start with 2 setup stitches, and then after that everything will be a repeat of the same stitch. For our first stitch, chain 2, and we're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. But I want you to watch this chain, the one we're not crocheting into, specifically the bottom loop of this chain, because that's going to come up along the side and make what we're going to call a side loop. So let's single crochet into here. And I'm keeping everything super loose, you guys, okay? So I'm single crocheting into there, and do you see that little loop from this other chain? That's our side loop. So now for our second stitch, turn your work. We're going to turn our work with every stitch on this one. Hold on to that side loop, don't lose it. Go into that side loop and do a single crochet. Now notice every time we do a single crochet, when we pull through these 2 loops, we're forming 2 little bumps right under our hook, right there. You see that? Those are going to be our side loops going forward. So now the rest of the pattern, because we've done our 2 setup rows, the rest of the design of a Romanian cord is to turn your work and go into the 2 side loops. There's the 2 side loops from my previous stitch. Okay? Remember, keep it nice and loose, otherwise those loops will tighten up really easily, okay? So nice and loose. And now turn your work, and do you see those 2 loops from before? We're going to go into those 2 loops from before. Okay? Nice and loose. Where are my 2 loops that I'm going into next? Do you see them? They're right here. So I turn my work, and I go into these 2 loops. Now if it does tighten up a little bit on you, like see how this one's a little bit tight, you can put your hook down, take your fingers, and just loosen it a little bit before you try to put your hook into it. Because you don't want to tighten everything else up while you're trying to get into this one. So insert your hook and make your single crochet into those 2 loops on the side. And you can see after we've done a few, we get this nice kind of flat cord that looks the same on both sides, and it's nice and thick and strong and just a little bit stretchy, so it would be great for ties or belts or drawstrings, anything you need a nice thick strong cord for. And that's how you make a Romanian cord. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!